Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the famous Italian word to say good morning. This is pronounced buongiorno, 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 buongiorno. Now, do you spell it all in one word or should you write it detached? Buongiorno. Well, believe it or not, both are correct, but they might have a slightly different meaning. If you use it as a way to say good morning, then both are acceptable, but the all-in-one version is more common in Italy. However, if you talk about good morning as a noun, such as in the expression il buongiorno si vede dal mattino, then you have to write it as one single word. Moreover, if you instead are talking about a good day, so you're using good as an adjective to describe day, such as in the sentence oggi non è un buon giorno per andare al mare. Today is not a good day to go to the sea, then you have to spell it separate. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. The pronunciation, however, is the same, so this is just a distinction that might be important to know when it comes to writing the language. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.